how to convert binary to hexadecimal value. So let's say we have the given 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. The first thing we're going to do is to group or separate it into group of 4. So the first group is 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 1. And then convert it into decimal. 1 is 2 raised to 0, 0 is 2 raised to 1, 1 is 2 raised to 2, 0 is 2 raised to 3. And ganon din yung gagawin natin dun sa other group. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. And then convert. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, 2 raised to 2, 4, 2 raised to 1 is 2, and 2 raised to 0 is 1. Ganon din dun sa other group. And after that, imumultiply natin sila dun sa given. 8 times 1, 8. 4 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1, 2. 1 times 1, 1. 8, 0, 4, 0, 1. And after that, i-remove natin yung 0. And yung 4 and 1 dun sa first group is i-add natin, which is equal to 5. And yung 8 plus 2 at 1 is equal to 11. So to convert that, A is 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13. So meaning, C11 corresponds to letter B. So our answer we're going to be 5 B base of 16, and that's the final answer. So let's have another example. So the given number 2 is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. So yun ulit, i-group natin siya into 4. I-group natin siya na merong 4 na given. Then yun, i-group natin siya. So 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. So ulit, i-convert natin siya into decimal. And the value will be 1 2 4 8. So diniretso natin siya to make it easy kasi alam naman natin yung value ng 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, and 2 raised to 3. So again, i-add natin yung sum, which is 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11, 4, 2, 1 is 7. So again, i-convert natin siya into hexadecimal value, which is A correspond to 10, B is 11, C is 12, and D is 13. So our answer will be 7B base of 16. And that's our answer. Let's have another example. Given number 3. 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. So again, group, separate it into 4. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 and 0 1. So kapag kulang siya, i-add lang natin siya ng dalawang 0 para ma-complete yung groups. Tapos yan, kinapin natin yung groups niya, and then yun, i-convert ulit natin. So, alam naman natin yung value. So, ilalagay na lang natin yung mismo sagot. 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. And again, i-multiply natin siya doon sa given. So, meaning, itong first group is, the answer is 8, 0, 2, 0. 8, 4, 2, 0. And 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, So, ayun, i-add lang natin yung mga numbers. So, dahil naman na is 2 lang. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 14. And 8 plus 2 is 10. And again, i-convert natin siya dun sa hexadecimal value. Which is, yung A is correspond to 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14. So, ang magiging sagot natin, at dahil si 10 is A, si 14 ay E, kokopyahin lang natin yung si 2. Ayan, wait lang. Kokopyahin natin si 2. Nasaan na? Ayan, wait lang. Kokopyahin natin si 2. Si 14 as E, si 10 as A, and base of 16. At yun yung ating answer dun sa example. And for the last example number 4, let's have this given 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Ayun, i-separate natin sila into 4 groups. So, i-box mo natin itong 1, 1, 0, 0, si 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. At si 1, iwanan mo natin siya dyan. So, again, huwag mo na siyang pansinin. So, ayun, i-write up ulit natin. So, first group, 0, 0, 1, 1. Second, 1, 1, 1, 1. Third group, 0, 1, 1, 1. At si 1, i-add natin siya ng 0 dahil siya ay single lang. So, ayun, i-convert ulit natin siya into decimal. So, dahil alam natin yung value, isusulat na lang natin siya, which is 8, 4, 2, 1. Ganon din dun sa iba. Kasi, pare-pareho naman siyang naka-raise to 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 4. Ayan. Nagawa na natin ng lahat. So, after yan, i-multiply natin yan dun sa naka-block. Dun sa may block. So, yan. 0, 0, 0, 1, 8, 4, 2, 0, 8, 4, 2, 1, and 8, 4, 0, 0. So, lahat ng yan, yung i-add lang natin sa first group. So, 8 plus 4 ay 12. I know, 11. No, mali yan. 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. And yung yung 8 plus 4 plus 2 is 14. And copy lang natin si 1. And then yon, magkakaroon ulit ng convert. So, yung A ay nag-correspond sa 10. Si B ay nag-correspond sa 11. Si C ay nag-correspond sa 12. Si D ay sa 13. Si E ay 14. At si F ay 15. So, 12 is letter C. 15 is letter F. Ay, mali dun sa ano. F po ay 15, hindi 16. So, 15 ay F. Si 14 ay E. And yung si 1, ikakopy lang natin siya. So, kapag siya ay sinulat natin into hexadecimal value, this will be 1, E, F, C, base of 16. And that is our answer. So, to check if our answer is correct, the 1 EFC 16, so i-convert lang ulit natin siya into decimal. So, this is going to be 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7, 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 9, 2 raised to 10, 2 raised to 11, 2 raised to 12. So, and then solve, and 2 raised to 12 is 4,096 plus 2 raised to 11 is 2,048 plus 2 raised to 10, 1,024 plus 2 raised to 9, 512 plus 2 raised to 7, 128, 2 raised to 6, 64, 2 raised to 5, 32, 2 raised to 4, 16, 2 raised to 3, 8, and 2 raised to 2, 4. So, we're going to add that. Kung bakit din natin sinama yung 2 raised to 8 at 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0 kasi 0 naman na siya. So, yun lang ang i-add natin, yung andito. So, ang total nito is 7,932. So, to check if tama, kailangan pareho sila ng sum. So, 1 E F C. Ang mangyayari niyan is i-convert natin sila na ang base is 16 tulad ni C. So, si C, ang mangyayari kay C is 16 raised to 0, si F is 16 raised to 1, si E is 16 raised to 2, and si 1 is 16 raised to 3. So, copy 1 times 16 raised to 3. So, at dahil si E is nag-correspond sa 14, so ang mangyari is 14 times 16 raised to 2. Si F correspond to 16, ay to 15 sa F. So, 15 times 16 raised to 1, and si C is 12 to 16 times 16 raised to 0. So, 1 times 16 raised to 3 is equals to 4,096. 14 times 16 raised to 2 is equals to 3,584. Si 15 times 16 raised to 1 is 240. And si 12 raised to 16, 12 times 16 raised to 0 is 12. So, again, i-add lang natin silang lahat. And we got the 7,932. So, ibig sabihin, si 1 EFC is correct answer. So,